What up, YouTube fans? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man, and yo, last time you see the Impala with all these spots and everything on that, my homeboy here, Matthew, about to hook it on up, man. We're gonna tear this body off of the frame, and we are going through the Impala. Okay, so next time you see it, it's gonna be under construction, and we're gonna just follow the progress and see how things go. In the meantime, like, share, subscribe to your boy, and I'm out. Peace. Alright, gang, check it out. We are in the shop checking on the 71 Impala. Bandit sparks. Look at that job right there, man. So this is the frame right here, the 71 Impala. And my car right here. It's the body. I'll shoot over here to the motor real quick. We got from Cleveland Performance along with all the other parts. Okay. It's right here, ZL1 front right here, which came off of this sub assembly here. Got the rear sub-assembly back here. He's gonna do the same thing back here, guys. We're gonna get all this stuff fixed up, mounted. Gonna take a lot of fabricating to get all that work, but as you can see right here, fabricating is not a problem. Got rid of all this old stuff. Yeah, 71 Impala. That's where we're going with it, okay? So, a lot going on right now. As you can see, we're definitely not going to be going with the rear end. Got the rear end over here. Not going to be running 5x5s anymore. We're going to be running the 5x120s that come on the Camaro. Big brakes all the way around. No problem stopping. Frame reinforcing. Camaro drive shaft. I mean, everything Camaro. 2018-19 Camaro SS ZL1. A lot going on, man. I mean, follow the channel, stay tuned. It's gonna be a process, big process. Shout out to Cleveland Performance for this awesome palette of parts, though. Everything from Cleveland. All right. Inside the Impala, as you see, it's a lot of body work going to be done in here. A lot of rust repair that has to be done. Floor pans, rear floor pan, some work underneath this back seat right here. Got a lot going on back there. This right here came from the frame rails up front. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Stay tuned. More to come. It's your boy C-Spec Kurt. The Impala's coming, man. It's coming. It's gonna take some time, but it's coming. Check these fenders out right here. eBay, $1,000, 2 fenders. That's crazy. They hit me up for it though. Camaro exhaust, marketplace, $100. Hey man, next time before you call the junk man, next time call me.
The junk?
Before you call the junk man to get a car, let me know first.
All right.
I'd have got that Mustang. But hey, gang, this your boy, and I'm out of here. Peace. '71 Chevrolet Impala, and we just got. Well, I'm just here. Man's right here. Just got this thing thrown on. That's a subframe off of 18 Camaro. Yeah, 18 Camaro. And he fabricated all of this right here. So we got strut towers on a 71 Chevrolet Impala. And it looks amazing. What's that, like a 1/4 inch? You say 1/4 inch or a 2x4, or what is that again?
2x2.
2x2? Yeah, like 2x2 here. I mean, he fabricated everything. It's beautiful work. Yeah. Man. Hell yeah. So man, next up is the rear end, man, and that's gonna be a big ass. You say it's gonna be a big ass job, Matt?
Yeah, that's gonna be big like this up here, man.
Yeah. Man, that looks amazing.
That's gonna take me at least a month in the rear.
Wow, that's crazy. Hell yeah. But man, what you? Any input you want to throw on there, Matt? Well, man, stay tuned, man. 71 Chevrolet Impala. I'll post this up for you guys to see the progress, and yo, stay tuned. Like, share, sub to the channel. And That's your boy Kurt.
Had to max it out, man.
Test in the hood, that shit looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, perfect.
So, I can raise that bar. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
If we got to get maybe half an inch or an inch more to go over that engine,
Yeah.
we can raise it
Probably we
and
just
still
want
fit it under the hood. You know what I'm saying?
like cut it and raise it
Yeah,
in the middle.
yeah. I'll just refabricate it to be higher.
Okay. Yeah. Man,
It's right there, man.
look at that shit. This shit good. The coilovers on the Impala, man. All right, man, we out here. The Bandit, man, he done finished wrapping up the rear suspension. As you can see, we got the Vikings bolted up here. He's built the custom support to hold these babies up. It turns out amazing. So you got the subframe from the 2018 Camaro SS on the 71 Impala frame, as well as a subframe for the front on the 71 Impala frame. Everything custom done. We got the LT1 motor here from Cleveland Performance, and everything looks immaculate. Got a ZZP front struts here. Got a BMW rims on here, 22-inch rims. Look at that. That frame looks real good. Frame look real good. Alright, so stay tuned, man. We are still working. The body is getting ready to come under construction next. 8L90 right there. Drive shaft, waiting on the drive shaft to come. And yeah, more to come, more to come. Stay tuned on the 71 Impala build. It's your boy.